हेलो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपर्टी. First property is the vector product is anti-commutative. Anti means it doesn't follow to the commutative property. Anti means opposite उसे follow करता है. A cross B is equal to minus times of B cross A. If you have to change B cross A, then minus sign will come here, and later on I will explain it in detail. Vector product is distributive over addition. Distributive property, as earlier I have explained, A cross bracket B plus C can be written as A cross B plus A cross C. Answer will be the same. Vector product of two parallel or anti-parallel vector is a null vector. Obviously बात है, if the two vectors are parallel to each other or anti-parallel to each other, then answer will be the 0 because angle between them is 0 degree. Vector product of vector itself is a null vector. Obviously बात है, because both are having the same direction. Now we will discuss the next property. Magnitude of a vector product of two mutually perpendicular vector is equal to the product of their magnitudes. A vector cross B vector is equal to AB sin 90. Obviously बात है. But now question is, this third vector is a vector, then what will be its direction? That is explained in below. Next property. Vector product of orthogonal मतलब perpendicular unit vector whose magnitude is 1. I cross J, magnitude is 1, 1 into 1, sin 90 degree. I and J is having an angle 90 degree in between them. N cap. What is the direction of N cap? This resultant. For the direction I cross J की direction होगी K cap, J cross K I cap, K cross I J cap. How to remember this? For remembering this, you have to use right hand rule, and you can remember it through this circle. I cross J करेंगे तो you will get K, J cross K करेंगे तो you will get I, K cross I करेंगे you will get J. Okay, and in the later on I will make one more video to explain for explanation of this property in detail. Now I am going to discuss the next property. Vector product of the same I cross I, J cross J is 0. सेम मैंने पहले भी बता दिया है. Vector product of two vector can be expressed in terms of their rectangular component as a determinant. If you have to solve this, then you can use this determinant. And if you do not know how to use this determinant, then I will make the next video. In that video, I will explain how to solve it. The next property, sine of the angle between two vector, you can easily find in such a way. Sin theta is equal to A vector cross B vector divided by magnitude of A vector and magnitude of B vector. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.